Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Duo Mobile and add push-based MFA, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar, type Duo Mobile and press enter. Locate the app developed by Duo Security in the search results. Tap on the install or get button to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open Duo Mobile. Now, you will need to add an account to the app. On your computer or device, navigate to the service or website that requires Duo Mobile for multi-factor authentication. Sign in with your username and password. Look for the option to set up or enable two-factor authentication. Typically, this is found in the security settings of your account. Once you find it, select the option to add a new device. You will now see a QR code displayed on your screen. Return to Duo Mobile on your phone. In the app, tap the plus sign or the Add Account option to scan the QR code. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once the code is successfully scanned, the account will be added to Duo Mobile. You will now see the account listed in the app with a security code displayed. To test the setup, return to your service or website. Attempt to log in with your username and password again. You will be prompted to approve a push notification or enter a verification code. If you receive a push notification on your phone, tap Approve to complete the login. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded Duo Mobile and added push-based multi-factor authentication to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.